Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF for free. A lot of people think PDFs can't be edited, but they actually can, and you don't need to pay for Adobe Acrobat. The first method is using free online PDF editors like smallpdf.com, ilovepdf.com, and any other similar tools. Just upload your PDF. For example, let's go ahead and use this. And you'll see a simple editing interface. You can add text anywhere on the document, change font sizes, move your text around, add signatures or images, and use correction tools to cover or replace text. These tools automatically try to match the original font so your edits blend in smoothly. Most PDF editors lets you add a digital signature. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad. You can click Create and place it anywhere on your document. This is helpful when you need to sign forms or letters quickly. If you need to edit large blocks of text, Google Docs is the best free option. Go to Google Docs, click on Blank Document. On the upper left corner, click on File, and click on Open. Here, on this part, you can upload your file. Just click on the Upload section and click on Browse. After uploading, Google Docs will then convert your PDF into a fully editable document. From here, you can edit like a Word document. Then download it again as a PDF. You can also edit PDFs using Canva. Just click on Upload, upload your file, and wait for it to process. Once your file has been fully uploaded, click on it. Canva will also turn it into an editable document where you can change your text, add graphics, replace images, adjust layouts, and add signatures or shape. Once done, you can download the file again as a PDF. Also, all three methods work well depending on your need. Online PDF editors are best for quick edits, adding text, and adding signatures. Google Docs is best for editing large text sections. And lastly, Canva is best for layout changes, visual edits, and replacing graphics. You can try each one and see which fits your workflow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.